So in this video, we'll be talking about the GS Advanced course, which is the course from upscprep.com aimed at people giving mains in 2026. The idea of this, as we've discussed in many previous videos, is that if you're serious about civil services exam preparation, right now is the time for you to prepare for mains. क्योंकि होता क्या है, जब हम तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं and if we have not prepared for mains before prelims exam, so now the time between prelims and mains to actually prepare has been reduced. And if this year is any indication, so this year you had less than 90 days, the same thing will happen in the very next year. Time between prelims and mains is not enough for you to cover everything that you require for mains. Therefore, the idea is सारी चीज़ें बहुत सारी आपको पहले prelim से करनी है, and that is what the GS Advanced course is for. Now, like with all of our courses, this is also a course with built-in mentorship. So let's get to know more about this course. सबसे important feature इस course का that there will be a complete coverage of GS syllabus where all subjects will be taught to you through live classes. All subjects माने कि GS1 में Indian society, geography, history, art and culture. Then GS2 में आप जाओगे तो polity, governance, international relations, social justice. GS3 में आप जाओगे तो economy, agriculture, environment, science and tech, internal security, disaster management. GS4 में ethics, case studies and even essay के भी कुछ sessions आपको इस course में मिलेंगे. The idea is that complete coverage through live classes will happen in this course. On top of that, you get mentorship from ex-rankers and this will be one-to-one mentorship. इसके बारे में थोड़ा और बात करेंगे अभी. There will also be weekly current affairs classes which you will get as part of this course as well as value addition material. Now जब ये value addition material की हम बात कर रहे हैं, so all of these materials which will be quite crisp and to the point will be value addition. माने कि आपके कुछ अगर notes आपने नहीं बनाए हैं तो you can help them to create your own notes, but highly recommended that you do make your own notes. Complete coverage of the syllabus and it will be a very targeted approach. माने कि analyze, focus and fulfill the core demand of UPSC mains. बहुत ज़्यादा इधर उधर की चीज़ें हम नहीं करेंगे. कोशिश हमारी ये रहेगी that we be precise and pinpoint. We do not want to do too much because any which way there is a lot to do with civil services exam. तो लाइव कम रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स यहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे. एक्सेस टू रिकॉर्डिंग्स फॉर 3 years. इसमें कोई लिमिट नहीं है. अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स व्हाट दे डू इज यू कैन ओनली वॉच इट 2 times 3 times. You watch it as many number of times as you want. The idea is simple. We want you to succeed. That should not be limited by कि आप कोर्स नहीं देख पाए. Right? There will be micro aspects of all mains subjects will be covered. And on top of that, there'll be special answer writing workshops. Answer writing workshops में आपको क्या सिखाया जाएगा? That what are the special things that you need to take care of when you're writing a GS3 answer versus when you're writing a GS4 answer versus when you're writing an essay. All of these things will be covered through answer writing workshops. You'll also get daily practice questions, meaning whatever is taught in class will be tested through these questions. And answer craft workbooks. Answer craft workbooks क्या है? A lot of the times you'll hear people saying कि you should go and analyze topper copies. कि topper copies से आप देखो कैसे वो लिख रहे हैं, क्या लिख रहे हैं. In the answer craft workbook, we have cut and made it easy and accessible for you. The idea is very simple. We want you to learn, but learn in a more accessible manner, which makes it easier for you to approach these things. क्योंकि पहली बार when I go and check an answer topper copy, I don't even know what needs to be done. So with the answer craft workbooks, what have we done? We've made it easy for you to understand कि okay, why is this an appropriate introduction over here? What are the different ways in which you can introduce an answer? What are the different ways in which you can conclude an answer? So that is the answer craft workbook. You will also get a lot of quick revision notes in this course. Now personalized mentorship जो यहाँ पे है, this will be one-to-one mentorship. माने कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि 50 लोग बैठे हुए हैं Zoom call पे and then generalized question answer session चल रहा है. This will be a one-to-one session where your doubts and queries will be resolved. And who will be the mentors? The mentors will be your teachers and co-founders of upscprep.com, which is me and Shashank sir. So all of us will be here as your mentors and guides to help you get through whatever problem that you may be facing. Another important thing is these are unlimited mentor sessions. माने कि जितनी बार आप चाहो, if you want to book every week. कुछ काम है, प्रॉब्लम है, आओ डिस्कस करो मेंटर के साथ and we will help you resolve that problem as best as possible. द एक्सेस टू मेंटरशिप विल बी फॉर 1 year. कोर्स का रिकॉर्डिंग्स एंड ऑल का एक्सेस आपको 3 साल के लिए रहेगा, बट मेंटरशिप का एक्सेस इस कोर्स में आपको 1 साल के लिए रहेगा. दिस कोर्स ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स अ फुल मेंस टेस्ट सीरीज, मीनिंग इट हैज़ 16 टेस्ट्स जिसमें से 11 सेक्शनल एंड 5 full length tests, all of which are part of this course. These tests include GS as well as essay. Tests again can be attempted till 30th of August 2026. तो mentorship and test के लिए 1 साल का access है till mains of next year, and then access to recordings for 3 years. So coming to the fee of this course, the price for this course is 9,999, but there's a 10% old student discount, and right now there is, I think, a discount which is going on. You can check the details in the video description and in the link in the pinned comment. The idea is यहाँ पे और भी कुछ हम bulk discounts दे देते हैं, which is if 2 or 3 of your friends are joining together, all of you will get some discounts and so on and so forth, the details of which will also be available on courses.upscprep.com. So किन लोगों को ये कोर्स ज्वाइन करना चाहिए? This course will not cover the basics, and this is the most important part, that this course will be for people who have already done some basics, meaning prelims maybe शायद 5-10 नंबर से रह गया and they want to seriously prepare for mains. These are people who have given an attempt at civil services exam and have made some progress. बिल्कुल basics से यहाँ पे classes नहीं होंगी. If you're expecting कि बिल्कुल fresher आप हो and then you take this course, this is not the course for you. It will be an advanced level course. If you are a fresher, you can check the UPSC Essential or the GS Basics course, which will also be available on the courses.upscprep.com portal. Now, this brochure is also something that you can access from there, and toppers के testimonials भी आप यहाँ पे पढ़ सकते हो. So these are all people who have been mentored by us in various other courses, and even in the GS Advanced course, and not just this year, from the past 2, 3, 4 years, these people have been associated with us and found the guidance and mentorship that we have given them very, very helpful. Now, moving to the sample notes of what we'll be sharing with you in this course. These will be for all GS subjects. These are just sample notes for environment. So all GS subjects के लिए आपको इस तरीके के notes मिल रहे होंगे, which will help you revise and make your own notes, make it concise and precise, as well as a lot of diagrams and flowcharts will be included here. Why? Because these things you have to practice beforehand. सीधा एग्जाम में जाके ये चीज़ें प्रैक्टिस नहीं होंगी. You have to practice them beforehand, and these notes are organized in such a manner to make it easier for you to do that. Right. So आंसर राइटिंग की जो आंसर क्राफ्ट वर्कबुक्स हैं, इनके बारे में पहले थोड़ी बात कर चुके हैं हम. So these, again, if you want to buy hard copies, so those are available on Amazon. We will be providing digital copies to you in this course for your convenience. Faculty and mentors की बात करें तो I'll be there. Shashank sir, Krishna sir, Ketan sir, Nimish sir, Rohan sir, Neelam ma'am, and Ishan sir. So all of these people have multiple interviews between them, have multiple selections between them. I've been selected twice. Shashank sir has been selected. Ketan sir has been selected. Nimish sir cleared Punjab PCS twice and was ex-CISF. So all of our faculties are very, very experienced with this exam, and they will give you the best guidance and mentorship possible. So that's it for the GS Advanced course. If you're interested in joining, you can visit courses.upscprep.com, or you can check the link in the video description. If you have any doubts regarding this course or anything that was not made clear, please do let me know in the comments and we'll clarify that for you. All the best.